seeing this stuff on the news about Libya and the war and that guy dying. I was in 3 foreign wars. 3 of them. World War II. Wasn't a hell of a time. I remember it. I met my 3rd wife there. Met her in Germany. She was a German. She made great brats. You're good. I miss her. But now I'm seeing this war. Let's have peace. Peace, not war. I shot a lot of people. Cold-blooded, right in their teeth. Took them out. Now I'm sitting here. People shooting from afar like pussies. You gotta get up close and personal. Knife them. In the stomach. Anyways, that's my message today. No more war. Let's have peace. I was in World War I, World War II. Even spent some time in Korea. It was hell. I don't wish it for anyone. You young boys, don't sign up. Don't do it. You don't want to sign up. You'll see some shit. Yeah. My heart is pounding like a fucking turbine. Where's my medication? Where's my medication? You can't find it?